Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are now going to attempt to solve for this equation. X squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? And we have just drawn this graph. So now the point is, at which point is, if you look at this carefully, we have drawn this graph and now we are interested to know this graph equals to 0. Do you see the relationship now? Meaning, we need to find the point of this graph where y equals to 0. And this is exactly the point where y equals to 0. And what is the value of x in this case? Yep, x is equals to 1. And therefore, the solution for this particular question is, in this case, is x equals to 1. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.